Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Sid's Tips. And today, excited to share with you about an air filter and what makes this air filter unique. And yes, this is an air filter for your home, is that it is machine washable. How cool is that? So currently it is available on Indiegogo where you could back the campaign. So I connected with the inventor who sent this to me to try out to see what I think and to share with you. Now, the campaign has 15 days left as of today if you're watching this video, and then it will be available to the public. They've got different sizes. They've really put together a nice campaign. I'll put a link directly to this campaign so you could learn more about it. You can get all your questions answered. They have got different options if you want to back it up. So there you go. It's got assembly, two-step assembly, no tools required, easy fit, perfect for your HVAC system. And there you go. So it comes in, as you can see here, from 12 by 1 to 25 by 25 by 1. So quite a number of different sizes. And again, you could get your questions answered and then back the campaign. But you can see I've got a product in hand, so it makes me feel good because when you see inventors bring some products to market, they don't necessarily have it ready. They have it ready to go. So this is the packaging. It's called AirThreds Reusable MERV 8 Air Filter. It's the first machine washer and dryer friendly furnace air filter on the market. There you go. And then on the back, no dust cakes, no leaks, no bacteria, clean air, energy efficient, easy care, increased savings, sustainable. Simply unzip, wash, replace, and breathe easy. When breathing isn't easy, clean air is as easy as doing a load of laundry. With care, as easy as and as cheap as cleaning your clothes. You wonder what took me so long to switch? And there you go. So that is on the back. But let's go ahead, take it out, and we'll set it up, and then we'll put it in my furnace. So nice little packaging they put it in. And who wouldn't want to help the environment so you don't have to keep buying those filters? So in the long run, you're saving, helping the environment, and you'll be also saving in your pocket. So there you go. We'll go ahead and open this up. Let's go through this and see how easy it is to put together. Check that out. So it's already set up for my size. So I have 16 by 25, and let me go ahead and set the frame up. So this, you could see how easy it is to put this together. And look at that. So I think we're almost there. Oh, I think I put the wrong spot down here. There we go. Almost done. Voila. How awesome. Now I just need to get this in here, put this in this one, and now the frame is there. And now all you need to do, it's a really nice material, and it's, you can see there what it says, AirThreads 16 by 25, machine wash, and dry 100% polyester. So that will show you there. And now you just put the frame right in there. And then we'll go ahead and put it in the furnace, and then we should be good to go. All right, check that out. How slick is that? There you go. That's it. And you're good to go. And then when this needs to be cleaned, just throw it in the wash, in the dryer, and you're off to the races. I really like it. I am impressed. Seems like it's a really high quality covering, and the frame fits perfectly. So I think this is going to do really well. I really like this, and especially people that are interested in helping the environment. This is definitely a winner. Okay, let's go ahead and take the filter that's in here out, and let's go ahead and replace it with the AirThreads. And look at that. Perfect. All good to go. And now once it needs to be cleaned, I throw it in the wash and the dryer, and you're good to go. Check out the campaign today. Click on the link. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. And to the company, wish you the best of luck with this awesome concept that you've put out. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.